Welcome to TeamBoard for Monday.com tutorial. In our last tutorial, we got started with the basics of using TeamBoard and how to mapping fields TeamBoard. Today, we're diving into planning tasks for resources and teams effectively. When you first access TeamBoard, you'll notice a list of all users on your Monday.com instance on the left. If you prefer not to display certain members, you can restrict user in the board setting. Alternatively, you can switch from viewing individual members to viewing teams and use the filter to view all members of a specific team. For example, if I want to see all members of the marketing team, I can choose to display members and filter by the marketing team. On the right side of your screen, you'll find the timeline view displaying all tasks. Let's dive into 3 ways for planning tasks on TeamBoard. Adding data to columns. Start by adding data to the columns, such as assignee and timeline, that you've synced with TeamBoard from your main table. If you're unsure how to map fields, be sure to check out our previous video for detailed guidance on this process. Once the data is added, the tasks will automatically display on TeamBoard with the correct timeline and assignees. Planning tasks with Item Box. Here, all the items from your backlog that you've previously created in the main table will be displayed. Simply drag and drop these items onto your desired resource or team. This allows you to quickly allocate tasks to different resources or teams by dragging them into the timeline. Planning tasks directly. Click on the white space of the timeline where you want to add a task. Here, you can input task details, assign them to a resource or team, and set the schedule right within TeamBoard. Managing tasks. After planning a task, you'll see its name, status, and scheduled hours. To view or edit a task, simply click on the task in the timeline. This will open up the task details where you can update information, change statuses, and adjust scheduling as needed. Drag and drop tasks to adjust their timelines or reassign them to different team members or teams. You can resize tasks to extend or shorten their duration directly on the timeline, helping you manage deadlines effectively. To manage multiple tasks simultaneously, use bulk actions. Select several tasks at once to unplan, move, or rearrange them efficiently. Use the duplicate feature to create copies of tasks for different days or times. Click right 3-dot. Duplicate easily copy tasks, making it simple to replicate tasks with similar requirements or recurring schedules. Or if you need the task to repeat at regular intervals, use the recurring tasks feature. When configuring the duplicate, you can set it to recur daily, weekly, or monthly based on your needs. The recurring task will automatically create copies according to the schedule you set. In the Board Settings menu, find and select the Color Scheme option. This will open up the configuration panel for color settings. The Color Scheme feature allows you to assign colors to tasks based on various criteria such as status or group. That's how you effectively plan tasks using TeamBoard. In our next video, we'll delve into managing resource capacity, holidays, and workloads. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.